Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are staying safe. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Ifeomosu and I say a very big welcome to you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. And today I'll be showing you something really easy that I made, and that is transferring pictures to plain t-shirts using just iron transfer paper and also my pressing iron. If this is something you are interested in seeing, then keep watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Please also push the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's get down to the video. So to transfer a picture to a shirt, first you will have to print out any picture of your choice on a transfer paper. I got this transfer paper for less than $1 and I went to those that print out stuff and they printed it out for me. You can pick any picture of your choice, just show them what you want and make sure it has been printed on a transfer paper. This is the shirt I'll be using for this. It's my son's shirt. Obviously, he's a big fan of SpongeBob. So let me show you how I'm going to be doing this on this shirt. It's important to iron the shirt first to make sure that it is not rumpled when placing the picture on it. This is what the transfer paper looks like. Now I'll be opening it up. Now I am just putting it in the position I want it to be. You can put yours in whatever position you want as long as it's nice and is not rumpled. Then I'll be covering with an old t-shirt. My iron is really hot. It's actually in the highest setting so that it really heats up this nicely. So you have to cover it up with either an old t-shirt or a towel, whichever one of your choice. Now I am taking it out and the magic is done. Voila, you can see it for yourself. It's looking all nice and beautiful. It's so easy to make, guys. This didn't take me long at all and it turned out very beautiful. I actually made more of those because I had printed more papers and I wanted to make it for all my kids. So guys, if you have watched till this time, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it interesting and you learned something. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and push the notification bell so that I can always get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.